Hello. This is your Level 3 drill, where we practice adding how to sentences. Listen as the word that adds how is added. Then, repeat the final sentence. He drives. He drives carefully. He drives carefully. She speaks. She speaks clearly. She speaks clearly. They worked. They worked quickly. They worked quickly. We walked. We walked slowly. We walked slowly. I answered. I answered politely. I answered politely. Now let's do that again, a little faster this time. He drives. He drives safely. She studies. She studies quietly. They played. They played happily. We waited. We waited patiently. I finished. I finished quickly. Now repeat only the full sentence. He drives carefully. She speaks clearly. They worked quickly. We walked slowly. I answered politely. She studies quietly. They played happily. We waited patiently. I finished quickly. Now, here is a challenge. Listen carefully and say the full sentence after the pause. He drives. He drives carefully. She studies. She studies quietly. They worked. They worked quickly. We walked. We walked slowly. I answered. I answered politely. Good. You are building natural English. Continue to practice when you can. Consistency builds fluency. Now do the next drill.